Guys, King.of.Depression97 here with Silly Sunday Part 2. We're going to go with alien sounds. My original alien. There are two aliens I could do, which is, I'm Marvin the Martian. Or, well. But why go with those when I can do my own original? I think is more interesting anyway, probably a little funnier. And without further ado, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, share my alien sound. And here we go, guys. So. And that's my alien sound, guys. Remember, it's kind of hello, goodbye, a little bit of everything. Just some of the other odd sounds. Hope you guys like the alien. Somebody once suggested I made a language out of that, and doubtful. But maybe if enough people sign a petition or something, I'll think about it. But until later on, guys, have a good one, guys, and enjoy Silly Sunday. See you guys soon. Bye, guys.